Algorithm and flowchart. Children, in our day-to-day life, we perform many types of different tasks. These tasks can be considered as problems. Every problem can be solved. For solving a problem, a procedure is followed. The procedure can be broken into a plain set of steps. To understand this, let us take an example of tasks that you perform every day. Brushing your teeth in the morning. To brush your teeth, you follow these steps every morning. Get up, go to bathroom, pick up your toothbrush from the stand, pick up the toothpaste, open the cap of the tube, apply the toothpaste on the brush, put the cap on the tube, brush your teeth, wash your mouth with water, wash your brush, keep the toothbrush back on the stand, wipe your face, come out of the bathroom. You can see that to complete this simple task, you follow up number of steps. These steps have to be followed up in a particular order. For example, you cannot brush your teeth first and apply paste on the brush. Later, the steps involved to carry out the task have to be executed in a plain systematic manner. Similarly, to carry out a task, a computer also has to carry out a number of steps in a plain order. A computer, being a machine, needs instruction to carry out each step. It has to be clearly instruction to carry out each step involved in the solving problem. A set of instructions given to the computer in a step-by-step manner to perform a specific task is called the computer program algorithm. A computer program is written using a programming languages like Logo, Basic, COBOL, C++, etc. Before writing a program, we should be very clear about the steps to be performed to solve the problem. These steps may be written in simple English language. The step-by-step procedure for solving a problem written in plain English is known as an algorithm. Let us look at some examples. Algorithm to buy a pen. Start, go to the stationery shop, select the pen, ask the price of the select pen, pay the price for the pen, take the pen, go home, stop. Algorithm to add two numbers. Start, read the two number one and number two. Add the two number and store the result as some print the value of some stop. Algorithm to calculate the average of two numbers. Start, read the two number one and number two. Add the two number one and number two and store the result as sum. Divide the sum by two and store as average. Print the stored value of average stop. Some points to be followed while writing an algorithm. Every instruction should be written in a separate line. Every instruction should be given a number. The instruction should be written in the right sequence flowchart. The instruction written in the form of an algorithm can also be present in graphical or pictorial form using various symbols. The step-by-step procedure to solve a problem presented in a pictorial form using symbol is known as a flowchart. A flowchart is a systematically pictorial representation of the steps to flow to solve a problem or perform a particular task called flowcharting symbol. Flowcharting use standard symbol to present a specific type of activity. The following symbols are used in making flowchart. Start, stop. The oval shaped symbol is used to represent the beginning of the end of a flowchart. The start and stop words are written inside the oval shape. Input symbol. A parallelogram is used to represent an input operation. Input means entry of data instruction. Output symbol. Output means giving out the result. A parallelogram is used to represent an output symbol. Processing symbol. Processing means a step involving a calculation or information processing. A rectangular box is used to represent a processing region symbol. A diamond shaped box is used to represent the decision making step. Flow line. Lines connected any two activity symbol with arrow head pointing to the direction of flow or data information. Connector. A circle is used to connect two parts of a flow chart which may be on different pages to show the continuity. Remember, always being a flowchart with a start box, Always use separate symbol to show various steps involved. Do not forget to mark arrow on the flow lines to show the direction of flow of information. The end of the flow chart be marked by a stop box. A flow chart systematically shows how any task has to be executed. A flow chart should be drawn before writing a program to ensure the success of the program. Let us draw a few flowchart. Flowchart to buy a pen. Start, go to the stationery shop, select the pen as the price of the select pen, pay the price to the shopkeeper, take the pen, go back home, stop. Flowchart to add two numbers and print the result. Start, enter two number one and number two, sum number one, number two, print sum, stop. Flowchart to calculate the average of two number. Start, enter two number one and number two, sum number one, number two, average, sum two, print average, stop. Flowchart to print the greater one out of two number. Start, enter two number and one and n2 is n1 and 2, print number one, print number two, stop. Thanks for watching the video.